It was instant, it was fast, there's no middleman transaction taking a cut. This is why I'm supporting Bitcoins. There is no central authority, right? You don't have to worry about trusting someone with your Bitcoins. Bitcoins is a new revolution idea, and I know that most people don't get it. I know you don't get it. And you know what? It's amazing. Because I'm seeing the exact same behavior from you all you silver guys, as I get from people that I explain that silver and gold is money. This system is bigger than you really can perceive right now. $1, buy some Bitcoins, put it in a goddamn wallet, put it fucking away. Okay? I'm sorry for swearing, but you know what? It's just $1. I learned how the monetary system worked. And it was from Ron Paul when he said, this monetary system is unfair. It transfers wealth from the poor and the middle class to the rich. And when I heard that, I had to research, I had to study because I didn't believe it at the time. And when I found out it was true, I wanted to share this. And actually, I don't even like public speaking. I'd rather die than actually speak publicly, but I do it anyways. The reason why I do it is because people need to know this information. People need to take action. Hi everyone, I have to do a quick video, another quick video actually, talking about and clearing up a few things that people have stated that I've said. One, I did not predict 9/11, right? I did not see that coming. Another thing is that I'm not Satoshi. If I was Satoshi, man, I'd be doing all right. Some of the haters would like to say it's an invention of the CIA. Okay, yeah, if the government did invent Bitcoin, they made the biggest colossal error in the history of government. In 2014, right? That was the other side of the crash for Bitcoin after it ran up to $1,300, and it was down to like 800, 600 or something like that, 700, in that range around this time. And if you started buying Bitcoins then in 2014 at $25 a week until today, you'd have $2.5 million. Think about that for a second. Would you be alright? Hi everyone, I'd like to send out my great appreciation to the person who posted that link on Reddit that got me so many likes and upvoted on Reddit. And I was quite surprised and taken back. Got a lot of people joining my YouTube channel, joining my Twitter feeds, and it's unreal. I mean, wow! I went from 8,000 subscribers to 11,000 subscribers today, and it's like, whoa! This has all happened really fast. Hi everyone. I've been really busy trying to get Pandora's wallet up and running, and I'm really happy about what we've accomplished so far.
Will Litecoin be over $1,000 next year?
That's an easy question. No.
No.
Sorry. One of the things that I want to teach is basically how to spot a trend change. So this clearly is a trend, right? You can clearly see that this is a trend, right? And the trend is your friend until the end. M pattern, I should get out of the market at the highest point that I possibly can. And that's it. My goal was just to help one person. And if I can help one person, I achieved my goal. And I reached that goal, and I'm happy about that. Because Ford once said, if the American people ever understood our financial system, there'd be a revolution by tomorrow morning. And it's true. For sure, I think it is going to be a crazy bubble. Because everybody wants something new and cool, and because they feel that they missed the boat on Bitcoin. And trust me, you have not.
No. It's just starting to leave. You can still jump on, right?
Exactly. So I really think that you should purchase just $200 worth of Bitcoin sometime, like just right now, actually, just stop the video and go buy it right now. And if you're watching this 10 years in the future, sorry, sorry, it's a little bit late, but just save it to Bitcoins. I'm here to tell you that Bitcoin is going to unimaginable valuations in a very near future.
What are you trying to tell me? That I can trade my Bitcoin for millions someday?
No, D. What I'm trying to tell you is one day you won't have to. Oh my God, the inertial dampeners are going offline here. It's going to be a crazy ride from here on out. You're going to see prices go up like crazy and down like crazy. That's why I got the red and the green. A little scary that we're so far away from the Lucid SARS and the 13 EMA. So be careful, people. This thing can like really tear you apart. Gold will go up. Gold will do well, but not anywhere near, nowhere near as well as Bitcoin, because it's got limited potential.
A couple of things on Bitcoin. We're talking about drug dealing, tax evasion, money laundering, and arms dealing. At worst, things I don't even want to mention. More reprehensible than that. So that's.
Wait a minute.
So I'm an arms dealer, tax evader. Let's see here. First mover, Bitcoin steady over 13K. JP Morgan has a eureka moment. Duh. Really? When did you? I had my eureka moment back in March 2011. She's all shy now. You're all shy now. Came in talking, came in chatting. But you got nothing to say now. We're gonna talk about what to do now. Oh my God, what do you do? What do you do? Right? It's gone absolutely nuts. You have to, you know what? You have to like celebrate. You have to be happy that you're in this space. Probably next time we could do this again. Next time we have an all-time high.